1,904 guarantee letters at nag-distribute din po tayo ng medical equipment for 1,145 beneficiaries. Bukod dito, sigumawa din po tayo ng wellness caravan, isang health and self-care initiative na umiikot sa mga barangay tuwing Sabado, offering free services tulad ng pet, masahe, pahuli ng buhok, kailang bakit dati, eye check-up, at minsan libre ako sa lamin. Nakinabang naman po rito ang halos ng 1,000 na residente mula sa distrito. Para sa edukasyon, naman po, sinisigurado natin walang batang may iwan. Sa pamamagitan ng CHED, Educational Assistance, 4,598 mag-aaral na nabigyan ng suporta para ipagpatuloy ang kanilang pag-aaral. Also, with the help of CHED, 1,410 students from the first district of Quezon City received scholarships through the Tulong-Tulong program and SMART, kung saan 80 scholars po ang tumanggap ng 25,000 na ayuda. At bukod dito, salamat po. Bukod dito po, a total of 2,817,000 in cash allowance ang ipamahagi sa 929 senior high school students sa ilalim ng Tulong Eskwela program. Na pinontohan din po yan ng AKAP, maraming salamat po. At yun lang po, hindi lang matrikula, pinag-usupan natin sa ating distrito. Inihanda rin natin ang ating mga paaralan sa Brigada Eskwela, kung saan binigyan natin ng mga public schools ng school supplies at 881 armchairs ang ating ipamahagi. Because I have always believed that in developing our youth, we should follow the timeless principle. Sound mind, sound body. This is why we have donor support behind sports activities in the district. So makatawid, 987 kabataan at atleta ang ating sinuportahan sa pamamagitan ng AA Sports Program. Upang patuloy na mapalakas ang ating partisipasyon ng kabataan at unidad sa sports, inilunsad ang Inter-Barangay Youth Program, giving young athletes the chance to showcase their skills in basketball while instilling discipline and sportsmanship. Kasabay din po nito, for the first time, nangyari po ito this year, very happy. The Inter-Barangay Council Sports League allows barangay officials themselves to compete, fostering camaraderie through various sports. At next year, the program will expand and it will include badminton, chess, darts, and bowling, giving more residents the opportunity to participate and strengthen community ties. So for next year, sports naman tayo. Meanwhile, the District Warriors team brings together the best athletes from the district, undergoing intensive training to compete in local and international tournaments we top. The program aims to open doors for them to reach higher leagues like the NCAA, UAAP, and PBA, or even more, through proper training and exposure to competitive play. Bilang dagdag na suporta, a partnership with Gardner College, maraming salamat po. A partnership with Gardner College has provided 100 college scholarships and 200 high school scholarships naman. With some scholars also being part of the District Warriors, they're able to showcase the commitment to both academic and athletic excellence. Following the success of QC Wildlife Time Run, which raised awareness for the Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center, or kilala po natin na ang QC, and supported the most holy Redeemer Parish. Mas malalawakin pa sa susunod na taon ang pagkain ng Fam Run 2.0, where the funds raised will go towards the chosen foundation from District 1. Bukod po dito, may nakalakang pondo upang mapanatili at makalawak ang environment